Welcome to Unit 4 of our Year 7 course and our Scratch unit. Scratch is widely used in primary schools and most of our new Year 7s have experience using it for basic programming. The purpose of this unit is to explore the different types of commands, see what they do, add a little bit of keyword knowledge to Scratch, and give you a chance to show what you can do. As usual, we have a detailed guide on our OneNote to explain the tasks you need to complete, and a workbook to record your evidence. On our guide, the first task is to get online to find Scratch. A quick web search takes you to the Scratch site, and when you arrive, sign in if you know you have a Scratch account already. If not, click Sign Up, fill in the details, and use your school email address when prompted. These types of sites commonly send you an email confirmation, so look in your junk folder as that's where they often normally go. Once ready, the Create button is the starting point for your creativity. A quick demo to start. Now if I grab one of these blocks and drag it into the code area of our Scratch cat, it adds instructions. The green flag runs the program, but we need to find a block that responds to the green flag and lock our instruction into that. Sure enough, clicking the green flag now rotates our cat. You can use lots of different triggers for code. One is a when this sprite is clicked, which means I can now click the cat to make it rotate. Now a quick tour of the different commands. Motion commands focus on movement. Look commands affect the way the sprite appears. Sound is obvious. Events is the list of things that you can interact with. Control gives you structures like repeating loops. Sensing allows sprites to detect other sprites. And below that is access to maths operations and memory variables for storing things. For some programs, you may need to add a plugin from the extra blue button at the bottom. The pen plugin, for example, is needed for our demo programs in the workbook. Now that's the Code tab. The Costumes tab allows you to change the look of your sprite, for example, giving our Scratch cat a pair of nice eyebrows and a nice 1940s moustache. Sound allows you to control sound effects in the games. If you want to add additional sprites, go to the Costumes tab and then press the blue plus button at the bottom, which takes you to the sprite library. You can do the same with sounds as well. Okay, back to the OneNote workbook. We start you off gently by asking you to construct some pre-written Scratch code blocks, and then you can explain what those code blocks do and show the result of the stage window running in those programs in your OneNote. You're then free to create your own programming challenge, and the workbook provides space for you to show off your evidence, including knowledge of sequence selection and iteration from your program and explaining what those things mean. If you're new to Scratch, you can use a pre-written tutorial, but if you're not, you're free to show us what you can do.